Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's bright and early Monday morning here. Just doing an update video real quick. Last night with the vote closed, a little over 60% of the vote going towards body kit. It looks like the Build Supra will be getting a body kit. Now for those of you new to the channel, we are building a Toyota Supra as the first car. We're going to be doing everything from interior to body, motor, suspension, the whole 9 yards. Everything's going to be done on your guys' vote, on what you guys want. And once it's done, we're going to be giving the car away. So we've been having lots of fun with it so far. I've been driving the car basically since we got it. I've been cruising it everywhere. I mean, I actually really enjoy it. The right-hand drive is fun. It's different. Grabs quite a bit of attention. And for the NA motor, you know, it's got a little bit of jam. Gets up and goes pretty good. So been having some fun with it. But we just did a vote on whether or not you guys want a body kit. The vote did go body kit with, like I said, just over 60% voting for a body kit. Now, I have had a lot of comments in the comment section talking about the body kit, saying that you want a body kit, but not a wide body kit. So, when the vote goes up, I'm going to do some research today. I'm going to try and find the different kits today and get the vote up tomorrow. But I am going to put a couple options in where it's a body kit, nice bumper, nice fenders, nice hood, you know, nice rear bumper, but it's not going to be a wide body kit. And then I'm going to put some options in there that are full wide body kits that, you know, widen out the car and do everything that way. The reason I'm doing that is again, there's been lots of comments, people saying, yeah, I want a body kit, but I don't want a wide body kit. I just want it to look a little bit nicer than stock, because the people like the curves on the car. So we are going to be getting that vote going. I might run 2 votes at the same time. The second vote is going to be on what motor you guys want for it. Now, I'm only putting that vote out there. I'm assuming it's going to go 2JZ GTE, which is the turbo 2JZ, probably a big single turbo, big power, because that's what people do with Supras. But there is going to be a couple other options. One's going to be an LS swap. People have left comments saying an LS swap would be cool. There'll be one for just a naturally aspirated. I don't know if you guys want like a low horsepower, not a low horsepower, but you know, a lower 350 horsepower, and you just want it to look real good at car shows, but you want to be able to drive it daily with real good gas mileage and not have to run like the best gas and that kind of thing. So I haven't decided if I'm going to run those 2 votes at the same time. I'm probably gonna, so we can get the engine. I've already got a 2JZ GTE turbo engine, the non-VVTi, lined up. So if that's what we're gonna do, I'm gonna swing down and grab that so I can tear it down and send it in for machining and start working on it. And then if it goes an LS swap, or if it goes something else, there will be an option in there, guys, for other, because I don't know, there's so many engines and options out there. So I mean, if you vote other, definitely leave a comment in the description on exactly what you were thinking to swap into it, or what motor you were thinking of putting into it. Yeah, so those are the 2 things we're going to vote on next. And like I said, I'll probably have the vote up tomorrow. I'm going to do a little bit of research today on the different kits that are available out there and what you guys left as a comment for the most popular kits, stuff like that. And taking left-hand turns, a little bit sketchy in this thing because you can't see out and around the other cars coming. So yeah, those are going to be the votes. I'm going to try and get them up tomorrow. And I'll do some research on exactly what kits are available, what you guys said. I know someone said a top secret GT350 kit. Might throw that in there. And then, you know, a couple of the wide bodies, Veilside or Riveris or whoever else offers the wide body for this thing. And then a couple kits that, really nice body kits, but not a wide body. Just nice bumper, you know what I mean? It's got a lower skirt, rear bumper, got a lower skirt, nice hood, fenders, that kind of thing. And we'll get voting on that, get that stuff all ordered up. But the car is definitely getting a body kit, which is exciting, guys. I figured that's the way it was going to go because the comments that were being left. So no surprise there, but I did have to put it to a vote. Just let you guys vote on it. So stay tuned. Like I said, tomorrow's video we'll put up. We'll get the 2 votes up probably. There's no guarantee, but I'm gonna guess that I'm gonna put the 2 votes up, and we'll get the motor for this thing, get that torn down, get it sent in for machining, because that there could take a couple weeks again. I'm gonna try and get it done as quickly as possible, but I mean, some of these guys, especially this time of the year, they get pretty backed up when it comes to machining, because this is the time of year everybody's putting engines together and putting them in the car. So we'll try and get that up as quick as possible, guys. It is going wide body, so yeah, stay tuned. You guys can pick what wide body you guys want on this thing, or what body kit I should say, because I'm not saying it's definitely gonna go wide body, but what body kit. Like I said, with the comments, it wouldn't surprise me if it went nice body kit, nice front bumper, nice rear bumper, you know, some nice front fenders, nice hood, but didn't wide body the car, because a lot of people like the shape of the car. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. And stay tuned.